Okay, C-Body fans, talk about a barn find. Boy, have I got a gem for you guys. This is over at a buddy of mine's shop, and in North Carolina. Can't give out the location. And this is a car he's working on for a customer. And this is a 1969 Plymouth Fury 1. And what's cool about this car, and unusual, is this is a former state of Virginia highway patrol car. That's cool in itself, but what's even more cool is this is a rare two-door. It's a two-door with a 440 engine in it, and it's the E85 option, so it's a 350 horse patrol car. Yes, pop the hood there, Gary. And this guy here, he restores a lot of cars, mainly C-bodies. He does a really good job. He's done several for me. He's done a couple of A-bodies for me too. But it's got unsilenced air cleaner. That is the original engine. We have verified that is the original engine. It's an air-conditioned car, power steering. You can see the tag, E85. So she is a 350 horse 440. Pretty cool car. There was something else we were talking about that had two of them, and most cars only have one. What was that? We were trying to figure out something. This car had two
straps on the hood.
Oh, that's what it was. Yeah, the ground straps on the hood, probably because of the radios. You see that one on the hood? It goes to the firewall, and over here's another one. And the car's kind of in rough shape, but Gary can fix it. He's the man. Trust me. You see the little spotlight, and we're gonna open it up and take a look inside. It's dark in this barn. And you ain't going to tell much in here. He's got it covered up pretty good. I think he's got some rat poison stuff in here too, so we don't want to spook around too much in there. But a vinyl top car too. How about that?
No, this has always been white.
Oh, it has. Okay, so it wasn't a vinyl top.
No, but it probably was from a factory, and then they peeled it for putting the Virginia colors on it.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay. Let's go make our way back. Last time I was in here, you had a bunch of hideaway headlights sitting around. I guess you sold all of them or installed them one.
Yeah, they're all gone.
Okay. See, she's got the Fury 1 style tail lights. She's got some rust. But trust me, I've seen this cat's work. He's in the process of doing a S23 Sport Fury.
1970.
Oh my God, 1970, and it was something else, and he has really turned that car around and made it look nice. So this car, like I said, belongs to a customer, so he'll get it all once they get the finances worked out and find all the parts they're looking for. They'll get started on it, and she'll be a rare gem. All right, folks, y'all take care.